Alright guys, good morning, people world, whoever. Welcome back to Half Fast 719. I don't know where I'm going with this video, but whatever. This thing, this little sauna thing, I got it on eBay for like $140. And I've used it twice. And it's pretty cool. But it says, open the steamer and add tap water to the highest water level line. Align the button hole. Tighten the cover clockwise. Son, make sure you don't leak. Make sure you don't leak. Anyway, I thought that was funny. But yeah, so basically, I'm going to try while I'm at home. I got it mainly to, I guess, detox myself. Wish I could untalk, but to detox. It takes forever to warm up or to steam up. But man, I was in there last night for like 20 minutes and it's a good. But anyway, I just run tap water. I probably should be running distilled water, but I don't know where my distilled water is. I don't know where I put it. I had like 8 gallons of it. And I don't know where it's at. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just going to jump in it in the mornings and then do whatever I do out here. And yeah, and then at night or evening, I'll jump in it again, take a shower. I did buy some scent stuff. So, True Lavender, it's an essential oil, and I bought peppermint, and then there's another one in there, this one, Globalus Eucalyptus, so that's what I'm running in there right now. So, but yeah, I'm not putting it in the water. I'm putting it in the little steamer thingy it has in there. But anyway, I think I got a couple plans today. Yesterday I ripped out GPS thingy from the Sprinter van. And, yeah. So, I don't know if I mentioned it yesterday, but that thing's governed at 65 miles an hour. And I think I'm okay with that. I think I'm okay with 65. So, a couple things I need to do. I need to put some stuff away. Do some cleaning up. And, I'm going to pull the van around the back and start ripping the shelves out. Oh, I got to pull the van up front and weld this, so apparently the locks work on that door. So I'm going to start pulling these shelving units out and then probably see how this floor is. It seems pretty good. I'm just gonna pull it out. I'm gonna see if I can pull it out, I should say. I do have parts coming for this. I don't know when they'll be here. But yeah, so as you can see, I got a gap here, which means something. It means something. I don't know what it means, but it means something. brackets. Some sort of bracket system that goes on these. I'm sure to keep them open at certain spots, but I figured there would have been little, what do you call it? I don't know what you call it. But basically little doodads, that little pocket, little keeper things. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna weld this thing up today. So I'll be pulling the van up here. I got oil for it. I'm waiting for an oil filter. And yeah, so we'll see how that works. I do have those shelving units. Those shelving units are expensive. They're like $3 or $4 grand for these vans. So I posted those shelving units up on the marketplace for $1,200. Trying to recoup a little bit of money from buying it, and the parts I have to put on it, which I'll probably make a list. That's probably what I'll do. Got to make a list of what I'm doing to it, what I've done to it, what was wrong with it, and what's being fixed. So, and yeah, I did order a Max Air, one of those for it, to get rid of that one. So that'll be going on there once I get that. And yeah, I'll just make a list. Matter of fact, let me just make a list real quick, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so kind of made a list. Fixed already stuff, headlights, flashers, blinkers, GPS is out. The driver door just fixed, just welded it all up. Writing all this down with my Temu pencil. So, works. This is what we got. Sprinter 5600, oil $45 because I'm going to use Rotella T4. Rotella T4. Oil filter is $11. Fuel filter is $26. Door latch thingy is $30. Door rollers I think was $25 or $35. Crankcase ventilation filter. That's leaking on mine. It's $150. Key fob $8 because the key fob piece is broken. The Max Air fan, I just bought one of those on eBay for $125. It's like a $250, $300 unit. Scan tool because I can't get to some of the stuff I need to with my scan tool, so that's $55. Transmission filter and fluid $70. And I don't know why I said T-stack cap, but radiator cap. Radiator cap. It's rad. And then needs potentially glow plugs and the fuse little block thing and air conditioning on the roof. So those are things that it needs that I'm doing. I had the welder out, welding on this bad boy. I'm assuming that's diesel. So I had to welded a piece of plate on there to keep this door from going out. I'm assuming it got caught by the wind. And yep. So you can see I got a little too much hot heat. But anyway guys, it's getting warm out here. And we'll go inside for a little bit, cool down, drink some water, and then probably come back out and go from there. So that's it. That's what I got to do. It's what I got to be doing, going, happening for this Sprinter van. Trying to get solar panels. I want to do a 400-watt solar system, so it's 4 panels, possibly with a converter and some other junk. But anyway, we'll see. Probably a little bit later I'll pull those shelves out, or at least go in there and attempt to do it. Then I'll probably find something else and end up messing with that. So anyway, all right guys, let me know if you guys want to see more or want to see a whole series of this stuff. All right, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Later.